in turmoil. What can you do to make a difference? The world is in turmoil. What can you do to make a difference? I'm never going to get this done on time. How can I make a difference when I barely left my house? If this were due by midnight, I'd have given up by now. This question feels too big, and I don't know what to bring. It's like they're asking me to fix the world in just one night.
Kit, I see the car in the driveway. I mean, it's a white car, and I'm pretty sure they had a red car before. But it's been 2 years. They probably got a new car. Kit, get down here right now. Hello? I'm right here. How much time do you need? How many more words do you have to write? Can I help you? I can help you.
Elliot, oh my gosh, please calm down. I have to get this finished by tonight. I'll come down when I'm ready.
You're going to put homework before your family? No, nah. I'm heading downstairs right now. If you aren't down in 2 minutes, I'm telling Mom about the class you wrote last week.
Oh, Elliot! It's been so long. It's been so long. It's been so long. Oh my gosh, hi!
Did you get taller?
Nope, I think you just got smaller. How are you? It's been ages.
It's so good to see your face.
I know you never get to do this again, but I'm so glad I was wrong. 'Cause it's been so long. It's so long. It's been so long. It's been so long.
I love your stuff you write a post on Instagram. I always laugh it's in the lot.
Oh my gosh, that's so sweet.
How long's the drive here from Port Joker?
Do you guys have anything to eat?
Elliot, seriously? What?
I really don't know why.
Seeing them in person is this weird ecstatic feeling, and it kind of makes me want a happy cry. 'Cause it's been so long. It's been so long. It's been so long. It's been so long.
Cleo, how'd you get away from practice? Don't you play 10,000 sports? Only like 5.
That's such a lie.
Yeah, it's not.
I called it.
I knew you was the latest guy you're rushing on.
And then they got tour. What do you think there's only one?
Hey, Sam. Welcome. Are you okay? You seem kind of quiet.
Yeah, I mean, I'm fine. I guess, well, I don't really know. For like 2 years, I've been alone in my class.
I understand.
I guess I'm just sick of being in larger groups of people, and I worry that I might say something wrong.
'Cause it's been so long. 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 It's been so long.
Wow, I miss seeing you all in person.
You're all in for you again.
We've got to catch up. Sharing circle. You start, Ida.
Oh boy, I've been good. I've just been doing a lot of baking.
Eating raw cookie dough does not count as baking.
Well, I made the cookie dough and rewarded myself along the way.
Congrats! Your reward is salmonella.
I know, I warned her of that.
What's salmonella?
Ask Ida in a couple days.
Okay, I'll go next. I got an agent.
Whoa!
Yeah, I sent a couple videos of me to an agency and they love me. It's not officially yet, but it will be soon. What, Alex? That's amazing.
Wow, Alex, you're like doing it for real.
Wait, are we gonna have a famous cousin?
Maybe.
Ooh, I love this! Kit, you go.
Oh, I don't know. Lots has been happening. Nothing as exciting as getting an agent, but I don't know. There's been lots going on at school. I'm swamped with homework. I should be working on my papers.
What's the
soon.
paper on?
It's for social studies.
Oh, I love social studies.
I am so stuck on it. The question I have to answer is, the world is in turmoil. How can you make a difference? Like, what? I'm only one person. What can I possibly do?
Who cares? It's only homework. Does it take precedence
kid, you can't listen to her. Does that sound fun? Being a slacker? Is that the kind of person that you want to be? How can you value a family if you have no moral pedigree?
Pedigree, like the dog food?
Look back as you're finally about to croak. Will you remember Cleo's corny jokes? Hey! Or let the guilt that pokes at your conscience that day? Why am I dying in all these scenarios? No, you gotta do it.
She doesn't have to do anything.
How's she gonna live with herself otherwise?
Well, your only option is the one I laid out for you. That's what you gotta do.
That's what you gotta do.
Kid, please, ignore my sisters. You've got to think about this logically. I mean, like, yeah, we'll have so much fun with you, and one assignment seems like not that big a deal. Could you submit it late? Wait, are your marks okay? Is your teacher strict? How do you think they feel?
I mean, my marks are pretty good.
Couldn't get detention or suspended, right? 'Cause that would be pretty bad. Maybe what if you had the time to do both things? I mean, she's got all day.
Oh, that's true.
And we'll brainstorm with you. That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. Really, your only option is the one we laid out for you. That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do.
How do you feel now, kid? Did that help?
It feels like the voices in my head just came to life.
That's terrifying.
No, it's terrifying. Did you know you eat 2 spiders a year?
That's disgusting.
Lord, I am so excited to celebrate your birthday.
Our birthdays. Our birthdays.
I mean, really, it was my birthday first.
And I was the best gift you could have asked for.
I can't believe you've been driving for a year now. Oh my gosh, yeah! How was your sweet 16?
How was my sweet 16?
I'll give you a minute to think. My birthday was magic. Pure magic. We decorated the house and we made cupcakes and we had a piñata. And guess what was inside the piñata? Another piñata. We had a dance party and...
No way! Me too.
Wait, really?
I had my beauty sleep till the afternoon. My mom woke me up, she handed me my favorite wooden spoon, and she said, "Let's get baking, kid." And we made the greatest carrot cake on earth. Then later I came home from Mom's deli stand with a huge cheese and salami sandwich.
artistry from?
Hey, I'm creative.
No, Mac. You're a lot of things, but you're not an artist. You're too preoccupied. But okay, we're different.
Yeah, I have fun, and you make sure everything's perfect before you spontaneously combust. Whoa, Grandma and Grandpa's wedding day. Wow, isn't that weird that they, like, had crushes on each other?
What do you call two birds in love? Two tweethearts.
Dude, tweeters. I've got one. Have you ever
Any
heard?
joke worse than Cleo's? No.
Whoa, isn't this gorgeous?
This is so cool. I've never seen any of this stuff before.
I haven't been to Grandma and Grandpa's house in so long. And this trunk reminds me of their sunroom that we used to play in. And it still smells the same.
Oh yeah, Sam, it does. Oh man, remember the bin of toys out there?
You know what else I remember? My friend lost his hair years ago, but still carries his old comb around with him. He just can't part with it.
Okay, what's going on?
Yeah. What's with all the prepared jokes? We're gonna have to send you upstairs with the parents. You're gonna keep the dad jokes coming.
I thought you'd never ask. When school went virtual, I started a project for the student council group. We thought it'd be fun for people having bad days to have a number they could call to get a joke of the day.
Ooh, I've got one. Knock knock.
That's so cool.
It was just as much fun for us as it was for them. Hi there, you've reached Project Joy for All. We're so glad you gave us a call. 'Cause we know isolation is difficult, so we hope that we can brighten yours up with a joke. Or if you like funny stories, we've got those too. Compiled from the community by us to share with you. Please listen carefully to the following list of options.
Dial 1. Dial 1 to hear our joke of the day.
Dial 2. Send a funny story your way.
Dial 3.
Dial 3 to hear a crazy fun fact.
Dial 4.
Dial 4 to hear some stories of kindness.
Dial 5.
I hear about all the students behind it.
Thanks for pressing 1. Here's our daily joke. This one was submitted by a 9-year-old Lingle. Hey, isn't that ironic? That's exactly what we need. So I'll send some hope to you from me.
I ate a clock yesterday. It was very time consuming.
A perfectionist walks into a bar. Apparently, it wasn't set high enough.
What do you call a deer with no eyes?
No idea.
What about no eyes and no legs?
Still no idea.